Welcome to the new chapter preposition. This is the definition of Renan Martin. Exact definition I have written, please see on the board. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. Here, please observe what relation the person or thing. What is a person or thing? Noun or pronoun. So what is the relation of noun or pronoun with the other words in that sentence? Here clearly you see denoted by it. Denoted by it means by preposition. What is the relation of noun and pronoun in relation to other words in the sentence? Something else means other words in the sentence. So it is a relationship word. It joins all the words of the sentence with the noun and pronoun. It shows the relation. What is the relation? Please remember that which is placed before. The meaning of the word preposition, English dictionary meaning of the word preposition is which is placed before. This word is most of the time placed before noun and pronoun. In some cases, it is placed after noun and pronoun also. That later I will explain. It does three kinds of things. Noun to noun. It shows the relationship between noun to noun. Noun to adjective. Here noun to noun in the sense that it may be pronoun also. Noun pronoun to noun pronoun. Again noun pronoun to adjective relationship. Noun pronoun to verb. These three types of relationship it shows. So these relationship expert, this word you can say relationship expert. Noun or pronoun used with a preposition is called its object. Here you see verb always, most of the time verb has its object. Similarly, like a verb, preposition also has an object. This is called accusative case. You see example, he went to the market. Here you see to the market. The market is the object of the preposition. Here to is the preposition. The market is called object of the preposition because this preposition is showing the link of went, he went with the market. This is showing the relationship. So this is the object of the preposition. And it is also called governed by the preposition. Preposition is controlling this object. So whatever word is controlled by the preposition, it is called accusative case. There are suppose two objects. I wrote a letter to John and Mary. Two objects. Now preposition is governing two objects. Accusative case has two objects. So this is the relationship word of the sentence. Please see the board. A preposition is usually placed before its object, but sometimes it follows it. It is not that every time a preposition is before an object. Sometimes the preposition can be after the object also. Examples. Here is a book that you asked for. See here the preposition is after the object. Okay, that you asked for. This is the boy. See properly. Here is the object. Whom I was speaking of. Whom is omitted here. This is the boy I was speaking of. Here is a book that you asked for. What are you looking at? Who are you talking to? Which of these notes did you write on? What are the audience thinking of? So this way, most of the times with WH questions and sometimes for the sake of emphasis, we will write the preposition at the end of the objects. Next, one more rule here is whenever we write a pronoun that, which is a relative pronoun that, preposition will be always after that. The explanation here is given for emphasis also. Suppose I want to give very stressed sentence, something I want to put power and say, then I bet on, we depend on, the people around, the world over. You hear what I bet on? This is what we depend on. There are the people around. We are going to tell it to the world over. So whenever we use this at the end, these prepositions, the sentence becomes stressed or very strong sentence. For the increasing strength of the sentence, we use like this.